The team behind Flux just dropped Flux 3. It makes video with the sound baked in, not silent clips you dub later. Video and audio generated together up to 20 seconds in one shot. Here's what's different. Most tools handle images, video, and audio as separate problems. Flux 3 learns all three at once in a single model. It builds one shared sense of the world, then speaks, shows, and moves from it. And it's not just talk. In their tests, people preferred Flux 3's video over Runway 77% of the time, over Luma 93%, and it edged out Grok and Kling too. It's punching at the very top. It goes further than one clip. Turn a photo into motion, carry a character from one video into a new scene, change shots into a full sequence, multilingual dialogue, real typography. It's aiming at whole scenes, not moments. And here's the part builders care about. A version called Flux 3 Dev is coming with open weights. So this isn't locked behind one company's website. Soon you'll be able to run a piece of it yourself. If you could generate any video with sound in one line, what would you make? Tell me below. Like and subscribe for the latest AI news.